Here we go. You ready for this? This sewer is teeming with these guys. This is a great place to get so much leveling up of weapons. And not to mention bolts. Now there are 99 more in here. Yeah, you heard me, 99. It ain't easy. Trust me, I know. It ain't easy. In fact, it's really difficult. And it's going to take some time. Like, it's going to take a long time. And I can tell you this for a fact. It will take a long time. There's nothing you can do about it. Now, this, in the sewers, it doesn't give you as much as it would outside the sewers, unfortunately. For some reason, it just doesn't. Well, the thing that now, sometimes these guys may not come out, and the reason behind that is you're on the wrong side. You have to be on the right side for them to actually come out of their hiding. I hope to be able to demonstrate that at some point. I might be able to demonstrate it here, maybe. Don't know though. Don't know until you find out when you know when you see it. No, that one won't work. Oh yeah, sewer crystal. I've already got 8. No, that's 9 in fact. I've already got 9. So it's going quickly, sort of. I say sort of, because it's 99 of it. But we're roughly a tenth of the way there, so, and it's only been about 2 minutes, so. But don't worry, there's also 2 titanium bolts around here for us to collect. There's a lot to do. Be thankful. So there's an awful lot to do. Now let's see. Now, thankfully, the mathematics does tell us where every single crystal is. Be thankful for that. Seriously, you have no idea how good that is. You have no idea how good that is. Yet there it is.
The Gadgetron Splitter Rifle is the galaxy's most powerful stealth weapon.
Yes, it is. And it's a godsend. Yeah, you can see what every single crystal is. I recommend using it. The reason behind this is there's loads, and it will take you forever to find them without it. Let's see. I'm not kidding, it will take you forever. You can go around aimlessly searching, but you will be here forever just trying to find them. So it's worth checking it out. Let's go. This way? Yes, it is. This way is where enough one is. You will need to use this to find them. It's just... I think it is the mathematics which is telling me that. I'm pretty sure it is. It has to be. So, I recommend using it. And if you don't want it, then that's fine too, but it's just a really good idea. Because you will honestly be here forever. Not trying to be mean or anything, but you will be here forever. Searching for them. You may think, oh, I'm perfect, I'll never be here forever. It'll be simple, blah, 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 blah. You're wrong. You are wrong. You will be here forever and ever and ever searching for them. So just trust me on this one. Because you may go down a different route thinking you haven't been down here and you've already been there. That happens a lot. Let's be honest. It happens an awful lot. So yeah. Don't leave it to chance. Anyway. Oh dear. Wah-wah. Yeah, this doesn't upgrade an awful lot here, but it does work, so use it. Anyway, we've got to find 2 titanium bolts around here, so get to find them. Now, I may miss some along the way, and that will probably happen. You'll probably miss one along the area, thinking you've got it already, so this is what I meant. It's not going to come out, because you're on the wrong side. You need to be on the right side. And look, we're at a new area and there's shitloads more. Now the green areas, I believe, are titanium bolts. I believe. I may be wrong about that, don't quote me. I believe I may be wrong, but I don't care. Yeah, there are loads. There's 99, damn it. But at least this is more fun than the desert, I must say. I do like this a lot more than the desert in Ratchet too. I don't know why it just feels... Oh, Jesus, you're big. You are huge. Yeah. See what I mean? Tons. Damn you. Yeah, tons of stuff there. Yeah, this ain't going to be sped up. I'm not going to bother to speed it up. I don't need to. It doesn't need to be sped up. It's fine like this. And let's see, where am I going? Okay, right, yeah, I know where I'm going. Cool. There's one down here. Wait, I didn't press that. Didn't mean to press it. But I did press it, so there you go. The bolts are raking the bolts here. Oh, wow, that was big. Let's see, if I want to do that, if I go this way, I go into that territory. I think I'll go into, no, I don't want to go back down. No, not that way then. Oh, I know where I am. And where I was at the start of the level. Okay, cool, I'll go this way then. And that takes me straight down. Do I want to go that way? No, it doesn't really matter which way you go, just as long as you get somewhere. Because you're going to miss sewer crystals along the way anyway. There's just no doubt about it, you are going to miss them. So you may as well just go here anyway, and just hope for the best. Hope you find something. Because you are going to have to do backtracking around here. But in the end, you will get, I believe it's 188,000, is it? Something like that? No, wait. 99,000 times 2, I don't know how much. It's a lot. You're going to get a lot. Put it that way. You're going to get a lot. That's how much you're going to get. A lot. And these guys just die, so... Hello, vendor. Let's see. Where are we? We are down here. Whoa! Hey there, you just came out of nowhere, didn't you? That's free for me. Right there. Thank you, game. Yeah, this place is brilliant. I just love it. It's a genius idea. Yeah, do you see why I waited until I got the gravity boost now? Because of stuff like this. Which are just like, what the hell. But yeah, there's some of these guys come from the ceiling around here, so it's quite good. They just come out of nowhere and they help a lot. Chances are you can get killed. That's something that's probably going to happen. Depending on what level you are. Now where am I going? I'll go this way. There'll be one guy from the ceiling. But there may be two guys from the ceiling. Nope, just one guy. Okay. Oh, no, there's a guy here. Never mind. Let's see, if I go right now. Or is it left? No, it's the left. No, I know, I want to go right. I want to go right. Oh, here we go. I didn't think I could go right. No, I can go right, so there you go. I want that. Let's see. If I go... this way? If I go this way? Yeah, it's this way. That's the way I want to go. Two straight at me, and I think I figured out why. This one. There we go, two more. If I go this way, maybe? Actually, I do want the bender, so I'll take that. Let's see. Now, is it this one? Yeah, may as well go this way, why not? Whoa, crazy fucking angle. Okay, this is really weird. Why is it doing this? Okay, there we go. That was really weird. I'm really disoriented. I didn't like that. That was horrible. What the hell was that? That was just cruel. My brain could have died. Do you know how valuable my brain is? It's a valuable part of the human body. That's how valuable it is. Work it out. How valuable is your brain? That could be an advert. Do you want to know how valuable your brain is? Well, at brainvalue.com, you can find out exactly how valuable your brain is. Just type in the name of your brain, and then you will be able to find out very easily and simply how powerful and how valuable your brain is. That's a really weird ad. Okay, if I go backwards. But I want to go backwards. I could die, seriously. This is starting to piss me off. I see you. Where am I going? I go straight this way? No, it's this way I want to go. Yes, that's right. You can die. I feel the whole new meaning of die. The rift inducer is going up, slowly, but it is going up, so... Balls. Going the wrong way. Never fear, for I can go around. That's not at all difficult. Unless I get lost, which, again, is quite easy. But anyway, enough about me. Hello, Daddy Tom Vendor. Let's go the other way. This way? Yes, there's something around here. There it is. Yeah. Now I want to go down this way, is it? Oh, yeah, because that's the one I am looking for. I believe. Lag out the ass. Too many sprites happening at once. Then there's one right there. But it's slowly, this weapon is going up. Slowly, it's going up.